and look at this car.
Yeah.
Now, as we begin to pressure wash the car, we're not going to use any of our pre-wash because we don't want to risk the pre-wash possibly staining a single stage paint. But I want you guys to pay very close attention throughout this wash process and watch as the blue on this car brightens up a ton.